Is your Nintendo Switch character taking a stroll without your permission? Let's fix that annoying Joy-Con stick drift in under 90 seconds. First, power off your Nintendo Switch completely. This prevents any accidental inputs during the fix. Navigate to System Settings. On the home screen you'll find it by selecting the gear icon. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. This is where we'll calibrate your Joy-Cons. Now, select Calibrate Control Sticks. This option will help reset the stick's neutral position. You'll be prompted to test your Joy-Con stick. Follow the on-screen instructions. Gently push the stick in the direction of the arrows. If the calibration is off, you'll see it. Press X to begin recalibration. It will ask you to put your finger away from the stick and press A. If successful, you'll see a confirmation screen. Test the stick again to make sure the drift is gone. If the drift persists, grab a can of compressed air. Gently blow short bursts of air around the base of the stick to remove any dust or debris that might be causing the issue. As a last resort, consider using electronic contact cleaner. Use a very small amount and spray it under the stick. Use only a tiny amount. And that's it. Hopefully, your Joy-Cons are now drift-free, and you can get back to gaming. Subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.